In this video, I will show you how to display the calendar on your Samsung home screen. If you frequently check your schedule, adding a calendar widget to your home screen can make it much more convenient. To do this first, navigate to the home screen where you want the calendar to appear. Now, press and hold on an empty space until you see few options appear at the bottom of your screen. From these options, tap on Widgets. Once you're in the widget menu, scroll down until you find Calendar. Tap on it and you will see multiple layout options. Samsung Calendar provides different formats, including a full monthly view, an event list, and even a countdown to specific dates like birthdays or holidays. Choose the format that best fits your needs. After selecting a widget style, tap on it and then tap Add. Now your calendar is directly accessible from your home screen, making it easy to check your schedule without opening the app. And that's how you can display your calendar on the Samsung home screen.